What's up, everybody? Museum Bird, break 4216. We are full dice roll. We go 5 times. Your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is he doing? 5. 4 and 1 is 5. Spence even agrees that is 5 right there. Dodgers up top, A's at the bottom. Five times now to your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, 4 and 1 is 5 right there. David Harris up top, Jory Worthen at the bottom. Sort these alphabetically. Send out a notification and we rip, guys. Good luck. It's just so much easier just at that top button.
Good luck here, guys. Good luck. It is. I can understand what. I was wondering how long we could do it without him catching on.
A couple people just think they were in breaks that weren't.
Yeah. Good luck here, everybody.
There we are. Good luck. Good luck.
Luck. It's not a 101. We haven't hit a 101 yet. Out of the museum. I'm feeling a 101 right here. I got to do better than Bobby. Gunner to 10 is going to be tough to beat.
It's going to be real tough, man.
It's going to be tough to beat, but I gotta put 2-4 on my shirt, man.
Or 8. Here you go, down the last one. Top's definitive, guys. 18 left.
Good luck here, everybody. Good luck. Off the back, starting off with a Duke Snyder. Cody Bellinger. Base. Josh Young on the rookie for the Rangers. Roger Clemens. Pretty cool one here for the New York Yankees. Giancarlo Stanton, Aaron Judge. 32 out of 35. Yankees going to Terry Steck. T-Steck on the board. Nice Judge Giancarlo duel. To 35. Striker pulled a sick 101 Rolly. Got George Springer. I figure out what those are called. They're not base, but they're not numbered. O'Neal Cruz on the base. Tovar on the rookie for the Rockies. Michael Harris on the rookie for the Braves. Who's got Atlanta? Man, he doesn't miss. 281 out of 299. Michael Harris. Guess who? Josh Cox.
I'm telling you, man. Josh is the king of...
Josh don't miss on baseball breaks.
King of swing, man.
281 out of 299. Michael
He
Harris.
is hot on baseball.
Congrats, Josh. Kyle Tucker to 299 for the Astros. Don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Hank Aaron, base. Ronald Acuna. Corey Seager. Another one for the Braves coming up. 1 out of 25. Matt Olson on the quad.
I like those cards for some reason.
I mean, they look good.
Rose is going to pull a sicker one.
And no doubt, Randy.
I'm calling it, too. It's going to be in this half case. If not here, this half case.
Last pack of the break. Good luck. Should be a jersey auto. Jacob deGrom. Get Alex Bregman. Francisco Alvarez. Canvas collection of Josh Young. Those are good looking cards.
Yeah, they are.
Part of me wishes they weren't one per box though. Like, make them actual sketch cards. Like a 1-of-1s. And on our relic auto, 48 out of 50, Byron Buxton. The Minnesota Twins and David Harris. David Harris on the board with the Buxton. We'll do a quick recap. We got Buxton, Young, Olsen, Tucker, Harris, Tovar, Giancarlo, Aaron Judge duel, and Josh Young. And that is the break, guys. Thanks for the